Wow, what a dramatic NBA Finals Game 6. The Miami Heat prevailed in overtime 103-100 over the San Antonio Spurs, forcing a Game 7, and they won in spite of the fact that, let's face it, LeBron James, the MVP for the NBA, he did not play well at all. He could have played much better, and too much of the time, LeBron was going down, looking for the foul, afraid to go up and just slam it home, Blake Griffin style. The controversial play for some, actually for many, was this play. Ray Allen guarding Manu Ginobili of the Spurs. Sorry folks, Ray Allen did not foul Manu Ginobili. Arguably, Manu Ginobili walked. Take a good look. Now we go into, and you say, okay, wait a minute, Zenny. Tell him how the Heat won. This block, Chris Bosh on Danny Green. It was all ball, no foul. Heat win. We go back to Miami, Game 7, Thursday. Who are you picking? I'm picking the Heat. I want to see LeBron get his second ring, and then we're done with it. All right? Stay tuned.